skill you can teach others.
One of the most rewarding experience I've had was teaching my sister-in-law who lives in New Zealand how to make traditional Indian food. She and her children visited us in India last summer, and while they enjoyed eating all delicious dishes, she expressed a real interest in learning to cook some of them herself. So I thought like teaching her that skill. So I focused on a few staples like dal makhni, which is so-called a rich black lentil dish, paneer butter masala, a creamy cottage cheese curry, and chapati, Indian flat bread. So I just collected all these, ingredients. These are dishes that are often requested when she entertains, and I knew she would appreciate having them in her culinary repertoire. I always taught her the art of tempering spices, which is fundamental to Indian cooking. This teaching happened over a few sessions during their visit last summer. Started in early July 2024, shortly after they arrived. So each session lasted about 2 to 3 hours, typically in the last afternoon. We had about 4 dedicated cooking sessions in total. I felt incredibly proud and happy to share this part of my culture and heritage with her. It was more than just teaching recipes, it was about passing down traditions and helping her connect with her roots through food. I love seeing her excitement when she successfully made a perfect chapati or got the flavor just right in the paneer butter masala. It was a wonderful bonding experience, and it warmed my heart to know that she now is able to bring taste of India into her home in New Zealand for her family and friends. It felt me a small but significant way to keep our families' culinary traditions alive across continents. That was my experience, which I would never forget.